Man, y'all can't get enough of these cooking videos, huh? Well, I'm gonna just keep on doing more cooking videos. But anyways, it's your boy Scott Brown here, back with another video. And today's video is gonna be very special, alright guys? Because I get a lot of questions in my DMs, in my inbox, and friends wanna know, Scott, listen, I know I'm transitioning into a vegan, or I wanna look for more plant-based meals, but I get bored. I don't wanna keep on eating salad and eat the ordinary things that people think that vegans eat. Alright, so today I'm gonna show you guys a really awesome meal. Alright, today I'm gonna show you, of course we're cooking a high protein vegan meal, but I'm gonna show you how to make curry chickpeas and mushroom surprise. Alright, so curry chickpeas, mushroom surprise, and this is gonna be a high protein vegan meal. It's gonna be really tasty, a lot of spices, a lot of herbs, and yeah man, we really about to get down today. But first of all, I want to say thank you guys for supporting me. We just reached another milestone, 20K subscribers. That's 20,000 supporters and people out there sharing the content and loving what I do, man. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart, man. And also guys, thank you guys so much for supporting the Work Hard Burn Hard merch. Yeah, we got merch. It's hoodie season. It's getting cold out here, right? So if you do want to get some merch, just click the link in my bio and order some today. All right, so today, without further ado, let me introduce to you the ingredients that we're going to be using for this awesome meal. All right, let's go. So for the ingredients that we're using today, guys, you already know we have the chickpeas. Usually I don't do the canned chickpeas, but I'm kind of pressed for time right now, and when it takes to prepare chickpeas, you gotta water it overnight, and it's a process, but you can use some canned chickpeas as long as it's BPA free. You got wild rice. I'm wild about wild rice, man. I love my wild rice. You know why? Because it's high in protein, high in antioxidants, is overall good for you. Actually, the best rice that you should be eating. All right. So our favorite, we got a jalapeno for the spices. I love it, man. I should have said spicy curry mushroom surprise, but who knows? I love my spice, man. I got my mushrooms, my sliced baby bellow mushrooms. I love my mushrooms, man. High in psyllium, it's really good for you. Really good protein source. And I have my garlic. Got my garlic, and I have my red onion. And that's not all. I'm gonna show you guys the spices that I'm gonna be using. And then from there, you follow me, follow the directions, and let's make this wonderful meal, man. We have turmeric, pink Himalayan salt, garlic pepper, black corn dough, masala, ground cumin, and you can't forget the curry. All right, so I can only get the red curry, but curry is curry. Shout out to my Trinidadian people and my Indian people. So we have the curry on deck. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to prepare the first thing, which is the wild rice. That's gonna take some time to cook. All right, so let's do it. So while the rice is boiling, now we're just gonna wash our mushrooms. See right here, we have the mushrooms. So right now I'm just chopping up the mushrooms. It's very optional. Me personally, I just like to chop my mushrooms. All right, so next we're gonna show you how to chop the garlic. So what you wanna do right here, you just want to chop the end piece. Chop it right here. Good. Then just peel off the extra skin as much as you can, and just place it right here. Right. Now we're gonna prepare the jalapeno. Slice it right here. A slice in the middle. Now I'm just gonna chop it little small pieces. So next up is the onion. So with the onion, just want to cut here. Cut the onion in half. And then the other half we put away for later. Then from there you just want to cut the onion like so. Try to get the extra skin off. as much as possible. Alright, everything is chopped up and ready to go. We have the mushrooms, we have the red onion, the jalapenos, the garlic, and we have the tomato paste. Forgot to add that in there, but definitely get you some tomato paste. Now let's get the cooking going, alright? So we're checking back on the rice. It looks like it's almost finished. It's almost finished, almost finished. Definitely gotta check on the rice because it takes time to cook. You gotta be very careful on how you cook it. So it looks like the wild rice is finished. Now let's get out the wok. Let's get the cooking. Wok out. Got the wok. Gonna put it on here. Good, good, good. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna dash a little olive oil. I'm gonna take our red onion and jalapenos. Put that all in there. So now that we have this cooking right here, we're just gonna use a teaspoon of each of the spices. So this is the turmeric, cumin, teaspoon of that. We have the garlic pepper. Teaspoon of that. Coriander. Hope I pronounced that right. Some masala. A teaspoon of that. Curry powder. Shout out to all my Trinis out there, man. So we're gonna add the curry powder. All right, good, good, good. So now the spices are there. We're just gonna mix it up a little bit. Mix it up, mix it up. So while this is cooking, the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna prepare the mushrooms in there. Put the mushrooms. It's cooking nice, nice, nice. So our mushrooms right here, I hope you guys can see it. We're going to put that in there. Alright. Alright, so we're just turning it over a little bit. Now from there, we're just gonna add a little bit of water. A little bit of water, nothing too crazy. Good. Good, good, good. Looking real good so far, man. Pink Himalayan salt, man. This is really good for you. Stay away from that regular salt. Sea salt or pink Himalayan salt. Alright, so remember I was talking about the chickpeas? So here we have some chickpeas mixed with some coconut milk, and we're just gonna dash it in there. Alright. And it is cooking right now. The chickpeas, the mushroom, the herbs, the spices, the everything. Man, I can't wait to taste this, man. We let it cook for 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes. And now this is optional, but I feel like I'm gonna add it anyway. We're gonna add some spinach, some greens. We're just gonna put it right here. All right. So we got the spinach in there. Now we're just gonna lightly mix it in together. And we're gonna let it cook for 5 minutes. And this is the final product, and it looks like it's done. So we're gonna store it, and then we're gonna share it out, and we're gonna eat this wonderful meal, man. Wonderful, wonderful meal. It took a while for us to finish this meal, but trust me, it's worth the wait. So now is my favorite part, the taste test. And you know I like to add my little avocado in there, so a little optional, but that's just me. All right, so let's taste it. Puts a smile on my face every time, man. You can taste the herbs, the spices, the consistency. Taste some of this wild rice. You know, I'm wild about wild rice. So good, so good. As I'm eating it, I can feel it just surging up my body, man. Good food, good vibes, you know? Oh my God. And there you have it, guys. There you have it, curry chickpeas, mushroom surprise. You know, with the wild rice and the avocado and everything like that. So listen, I want you to share this recipe with a friend who is tired of eating salads, tired of eating them boring, basic vegan foods, all right? There's a lot to it, and I'm just happy to show you guys, you know, what to do, all right? It's your boy ScottBERNARD here. Rate, comment, like, share, and subscribe, and there'll be more videos like this. Just let me know in the comment section, and we gonna be eating good, baby. Let me get some more of this. Oh, man, she always trying to eat my food, but that's a good sign. We out.